Take a look at what's happening out there. It does not feel very wintry out there at all.
No, it does not.
Temperatures are starting off in the 60s this morning. Like yesterday morning, we do have some fog, but it's not as widespread. It's not going to last as long, but it still could slow down your morning commute, so allow a couple extra minutes on the way out the door just in case. You can kind of see that low cloud cover and fog as we look towards downtown Raleigh, but unlike yesterday, we can actually see the buildings of downtown Raleigh, so the visibility isn't that bad, but it is just over a mile officially in the Triangle. Half-mile visibility is in Dunn, Fayetteville, and Clinton. Quarter-mile visibility in Goldsboro, so it's quite a bit thicker as you head farther south in central North Carolina, and quite a bit thinner as you head farther to the north. Unobstructed visibility, 10 miles, South Hill, Roxboro, and in Siler City. As we head through the rest of the day, temperatures are going to be the big story. It's already warm out there. 63 degrees in Raleigh, 64 in Durham, 60 the cool spots we can find on the map in Clinton and Goldsboro and in Henderson right now. That's not very cool for this time of year. The average high is 57, so everybody is above that to start the day, and we will warm up dramatically as we head towards midday and into the afternoon. For the next few hours, staying steady in the lower half of the 60s with that locally dense fog, but as it dissipates, it'll become cloud cover first, and then the clouds will break up. Low 70s by noon, winds picking up out of the southwest, about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Not too breezy, but enough to notice. 78 for a high temperature this afternoon, way above normal for this time of year, and in fact setting a new record high temperature for today. 73 by 6 o'clock this evening, with still a mix of clouds and sunshine overhead. This afternoon, you have a better chance of hitting or exceeding 80 degrees as you head towards Fayetteville, forecasting a high of 80 there in Fayetteville and in Fort Bragg, 81 Clinton. Otherwise, upper 70s up and down the coastal plain, upper 70s for the Triangle, and just a little cooler as you head farther into the Piedmont and towards the Virginia state line. But everyone's temperatures are going to be substantially, about 20 degrees, in fact, above what's normal for this time of year. Today's high of 78 degrees, officially at RDU, should break the record set just 7 years ago of 76. Forecasting a record-setting high temperature tomorrow. That record is a whole lot older. We're talking 121 years that one's been on the record books. Very warm still, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Our temperatures back off a little bit Friday, but then right back up to the mid-70s Saturday and Sunday. The records are farther out of reach, though, around or even above 80 degrees as we head through the weekend. But the unseasonable warmth will continue through the weekend. I've taken even the 10% chance of a shower out of the forecast today and tomorrow. Have to bring it in Friday with that slightly cooler air mass that's going to settle in. Friday's the real tricky day in the 7-day forecast. Back up to the mid-70s Saturday and Sunday. Next chance of rain heads our way, the next good chance. Late Sunday continues into early Monday, and that'll bring us back down closer to normal for the last few days of February. Hard to believe we're already approaching the end of the month. Aaron?